Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text photo editing. We'll dive into making your pictures look their best before you send them off. Whether you're sharing with friends or family, a few quick edits can truly elevate your images. We'll cover the fundamental techniques that are easy to apply directly from your phone, ensuring your photos always make a great impression. Get ready to transform your everyday snaps into stunning visuals with just a few taps. Let's start with the core adjustments. Exposure controls the overall brightness. Aim for a balanced look, avoiding overly dark or blown-out areas. Contrast helps define edges and textures, often making an image feel more dynamic. A slight increase, perhaps by 10 to 20%, can be very effective. Saturation adjusts color intensity. A subtle boost can make colors pop, but be careful not to overdo it, as this can make photos look unnatural. Aim for natural, pleasing appearance. Next, let's refine your composition. Cropping is powerful for removing unwanted elements and focusing on your subject. Try cropping by 10 to 20% to tighten the frame. Always straighten crooked horizons or tilted objects. Most phone editors offer a grid overlay to help. Consider the rule of thirds, placing your subject off-center for a more dynamic and visually appealing image. These simple steps dramatically improve your photo's overall structure and impact. Finally, let's add some polish. Filters can quickly set a mood, but use them sparingly to maintain a natural feel. A filter intensity of 20 to 30% is often sufficient. Sharpening can bring out fine details, making your subject stand out more clearly. Be cautious not to over-sharpen, as this can introduce noise. Always take a moment to compare your edited photo with the original. Once satisfied, save your masterpiece, typically in a high-quality JPEG format, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.